I was digging this hole because my wife wanted a plant here, and I hit a pipe, which I thought was weird because it's like there's no sprinklers around here, so I wasn't expecting there to be any pipe around here. But uh, the ground was tough because I don't bother to water grass most of the time, and so broke this pipe up, and after I did it, I thought I could have made a video, but I'll just make one now. I got this Christie's Red Hot Blue Glue because it can be a little wet and it'll still work, and also you don't have to use primer with it unless the local code requires it. Also, I slid this over it and left it here for a week or two before I started working on it. And then when I uncovered it, this hole was full of ants. I guess they were turned on by the little bit of water that was coming out of these pipes. I thought that was weird. It was full of ants everywhere in this hole. Anyway, I got this expandable coupling from the hardware store, and the directions say you push this in all the way as far as it'll go, and then it locks. So when you twist this on, it won't turn. So you put the glue on the pipe first, and then you put some in the. You cover the inside of the side that you're working on with a thin coat of glue in the coupling, not too much because it'll close up the pipe. Too much glue puddle up in there. And then put another coat on the pipe, and then twist it on like at least a quarter turn, and then hold it for 30 seconds. And then coat the inside of the coupling on the other side, and put it on the pipe. And then twist it on this side. And then same thing over here. Coat the pipe, coat the inside of the coupling, and then coat the pipe again and twist it on. And I make a mark with a felt pen like a 1/4 inch away from where it bottoms out, just in case it moves, so I know where I'm at, but if you hold it for 30 seconds, then you can let go and it won't move. And I had these cans from a long time ago, years ago. This says September 09. And supposedly, if it's over 3 years old, you can't use it for some reason. But I don't know. I opened it up, and it looked good. But I just used the new can I bought just in case there's a problem. I don't know. Maybe you can tell me if you had any problem using old Christie's hot glue, blue glue, if it's old, if there's any problem with it, like maybe it fails or something. Oh, and I used this to clean out the dirt before I started. I mean, after I cut it, cleaned out the dirt. Actually, before I cut it, too, I didn't get all the dirt cleaned out. That's part of the reason it didn't want to cut all the way with this. On this side it cut good, but this side it wouldn't cut all the way. I thought it was because of maybe there was a little dirt in there still. But after I did that, it still didn't want to cut all the way because it was like close to the break. It was all shattered. So, I suppose it's safer to use a a saw anyway, because like if these pipes are old, like if they're brittle, it can break apart with these. So, okay, thanks for watching.